Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. I am checking out the WUBEN X3 mini flashlight. $700, and as you can see here, plenty of light for just a little bathroom or something like that. Very handy. Let's take it outside. Okay, here's my backyard, side yard here, and this is on 150 lumens, as we can see. Double it up, and there's the 700 lumens. So pretty impressive, actually. Throws out a nice little beam of light here. And here is the red light on 80 lumens right here. So as you can see, it illuminates the area back here nicely. This is probably about 40 feet or so. So whether I'm out walking or going to my mailbox or whatever, this one brightens up the area. I can clip it on my belt as well. Well, final thoughts on this WUBEN X3. Just a very handy, very cool little flashlight. This is a 3000 mega amp hours battery pack charger. The fact that this thing is just so small and so versatile and so bright is just very impressive. And even this, the USB chargers, and it has a measuring tape on the back there. So no space wasted, just a very cool, very handy little flashlight and charging station here. Great gift idea or something like that, or if you're into camping, or you just need a little light, you know, by your bed if the power goes out. This is a pretty sweet little choice. Thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. I hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.